Howdy everybody, Cowboy Carter back at it again with another banger. Let's get it, man. Today's video is one I've been trying to make for a long time. It's gonna be hella entertaining. As y'all can see in the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all the true sound of a straight piped SRT8. If you've been watching my videos, y'all know this thing is a monster. Y'all are used to hearing it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to your boy. A lot of y'all are not subscribed, man. I see my stats. Y'all need to subscribe for real. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you all for 4,000 subscribers. Today I hooked up the GoPro. Don't tell me all that was blurry, y'all. Got the Camaro right there sitting all dirty. My girlfriend is gonna be the camera woman with this camera. I'll go ahead and show y'all. I have the GoPro strapped up to the car, so y'all be hearing the true exhaust clips. Yeah guys, I got it hooked up so y'all will get a good view. And y'all see the GoPro setup. This is gonna be a crazy video, man. If y'all want to see more crazy content like this, go ahead and subscribe to your boy. I will upload weekly for y'all. As y'all just saw, we got the Camaro right there. Mods starting on the SS coming soon. Y'all stay tuned for that, man. And by the way, if you're new to my channel, my car is straight pipe. It's cam, catless mid pipes, headers. It's loud. It's gonna be the true sound of a straight piped SRT8. I know my first video to blow up was I straight piped my SRT8 like way back like 2 years ago, like when I first got the car and I did that. If you have an SRT8 and you straight pipe your car, it's gonna like make it crazy loud. It might not sound like mine because the other mods I have. Yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy, and we're gonna go ahead and start her up and get right into it. So make sure y'all subscribe for more great content, and let's get right into it. Y'all just started this beast up. This one is straight piped also. It has the catted mid pipe, so it doesn't sound nearly like mine. But yeah, we're about to head out. Guys, unexpected, I set off a car alarm. Sorry about that, brother. Guys, I'm gonna be bringing that video to y'all soon, setting off car alarms. Hopefully y'all enjoy. Oh my, whoops, sorry about that, my man. Okay, I have no clue where my girlfriend went.
Guys, he made a car alarm go off. You hear that?
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you out here drinking 40s? I just...
Okay.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we had to stop because I had to turn the GoPro off and there's too much traffic out. Let me show y'all something. So, if y'all have a GoPro, right, or you're thinking about starting a channel, these motherfuckers die in like 30 minutes. I swear, you gotta always turn it off if you're not using it. They'll die really quick. We pulled up to a nice little spot. I'm gonna get y'all some more angles here in a minute. I had to reposition the GoPro. Look at the nice little view we got out here. Got the cars out. Yo, y'all stay tuned for next video, man. The Camaro is getting some mods, but y'all check out the view over here. Looks hella nice, feels hella good outside. Some slight. Y'all said y'all liked the vlog, so I'm gonna start vlogging way more for y'all. We're around downtown right now. So after all y'all left the comments on my video, I figured out what I'm gonna do to each car, cosmetics wise. Look at the big gap on this car. Y'all stay tuned for that. The Camaro is going under maintenance ASAP. This thing's gonna get a complete makeover. The wheels are hella dirty. We tried to peel this off, but it was paint, so it's hard to peel off. If y'all ever wonder why it's like that, we're too lazy to take it off. It's hella dirty. We haven't been washing it. Next video, this thing is getting modded, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm gonna start posting the build of this beast right here. If y'all are worried about my tires, they're just hella low. I need to buy some new ones. If y'all got the hookup, y'all let me know. Big pops. Time to start the beast up.
Guys, will he make another car alarm go off? Oh my God! He did!
Did you record that?
Yeah.
I kept trolling that truck. Did y'all see me flooring it? Not flooring, but like stepping on it at every single tunnel. When you do that with this car, since it's straight pipe, y'all heard how it sounds. This thing sounds crazy. Oh my. That's it for the sound clips of this car. Y'all, look how separated we are. Look how wide these doors are. These are like halfway open. They literally will open all the way over there. Oh! So hopefully y'all enjoyed the sound clips. I want to show y'all how a straight piped SRT8 sounds. If you have an SRT8, I would definitely straight pipe it. That would be like the first thing I would recommend, but hopefully y'all enjoyed the sound clips. My little baby is a monster, and this Camaro is turning into a monster immediately, so y'all stay tuned for that. Now we're just gonna pick up the vlog. I don't really know where this is gonna take us, and yeah, let's get it. I'm about to go sell my wheels. As y'all saw in like a previous video, the tires are completely messed up, so I'm just selling the wheels. I'm going to pick them up right now. I'm gonna be selling the wheels, which are the race stars. I'm actually filming on my iPhone because I didn't bring my camera. Everyone who watches my videos and y'all are from Dallas, y'all are in the same city as me, y'all let me know, man. It's so cool how I can just meet up with y'all. The kid I'm selling the wheels to the other day, like when I had gotten the couch for the apartment, it wouldn't fit in the SRT, so literally just one of my followers, a subscriber, pulled up. He actually comments first on the videos. Yeah, he pulled up, loaded the boxes from the couch that I couldn't put in my car and helped me out. I'm actually selling the wheels to him, so I'm going to pick them up right now. I have no clue which highway this is called. It's the one that goes in through downtown and out of downtown, like the main one, I think. I don't like, look at this, guys. Holy, I'm literally riding a roller coaster. This is the worst highway ever. If y'all live in Dallas, y'all know what highway I'm talking about. This is ass cheeks, y'all. I can't stand it. Oh, there you go. Loaded them up on the way to the new owner.